Well, all right, after using these truck bed slide outs for a little bit, I just wanted to make one update, and that's going to change this fold down piece of wood into a piece of metal so it's thinner, so that the wheels will glide over it easier. So I'm going to swap that out, and then this should be dialed in the way I need it and work the way I want it. So, little update. Here we go. So I didn't like how these screws were poking out, and they're gouging into the tailgate a little bit, and when that folds down it wants to lift up and pull out. So I'm going to swap that out to this metal here. This is a plate aluminum, 1/8 inch thick, 4 inches wide, the length I need it. And I'll put that in there and rivet it to the hinges to keep these runners where I want them to be. Should be good to go. Well, all right, had to go over to the neighbor's to borrow his rivet gun, but I got these hinges riveted on this metal now. Let's take a closer look and see how it turned out. All right, there they are. So now, instead of that thick wood, I got this thin piece of aluminum here to bridge that gap. Makes for a better transition of the wheels going in and out. So it makes the slide a lot better. All right, that's a success.